Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I want to thank Taylor for participating with me and Matthew for videotaping. Um, it's actually called Sleeping Bear 10. I don't have 10 bears laying around my house, but I have 10 pennies, so we're going to call it Sleeping Bear Penny. How it works is we're going to start, I put masking tape out on a whiteboard just to show a 10 frame. So how the game starts, just to get a child thinking about the connection, is total of 10 pennies, or if you have bears at home, or if you have marbles at home, or whatever you have 10 of. So I'm going to first say to Taylor, I'm going to put these in my hand and say, Taylor, okay. And in theory, she closed her eyes while I did that. And I say, okay, Taylor, how many pennies must be in my hand?
3.
3. And hopefully she's going to recognize that I'm going to put back the 3. Okay, you do that for a couple rounds because you're getting the recognition of the total of 10. So I'm going to close my eyes. Taylor's going to remove a few pennies. She puts them in her hand. I say to Taylor, oh, if there's 6, she must have 4 pennies in her hand. She recognizes she's right, there's 4. Now, you do this only a couple rounds because ultimately this will go off to the side and isn't used as much anymore. And now I say, okay, let's imagine I have Taylor close her eyes. And I bring in a cup. I like to think of it as a cave. So I'm going to say, Taylor, I have a cave here. So if I only have 2 pennies out, how many must be inside my cave?
8.
So I say, okay, let's see if we're right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, she was right. So now I would give her the cave. And I'm going to close my eyes as she hides some in her cave.
Okay.
So now I come out and I say, oh, wow, she must have 5 inside her cave. Because I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So we confirm we're right. Exactly, there's 5. Now, as you play this a few more rounds, if you notice, I still had these lined up the same way I did on the 10 frame. As you play it, though, next time around, I'm going to say, Taylor, close your eyes. I'm going to hide some pennies. But I'm also going to take the pennies and I'm going to distribute them differently. So again, you have to think about the numbers. So I say to her, okay, Taylor, open your eyes. How many pennies must be hidden?
3.
3. And we realize, oh, 3 plus 7 is 10. Oh, great. Now, the instinct is to do it this way. Actually, what we'd like to do is go back and say, okay, let's think about how that's 10. Because we think about, again, put it back in the reference of that 10 frame and how it would be seen in the 10 frame. So, like I said, this is called Sleeping Bears 10. I'm calling it Sleeping Pennies 10 because I don't have bears in my house. Hope this helped you enjoy a new activity you can play with your children. Thank you very much.